possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Bedford County, Center County, Cumberland County, Franklin County, Fulton County, Huntingdon County, Juanita County, Mifflin County, and Perry County, effective until 8:27 p.m.
Southeastern Center County in central Pennsylvania, Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, Western Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, Southwestern Union County in central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Clinton County in north central Pennsylvania, until 8 at 7:31 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Zion to near Cumberland, Alpharetta to near Juliana Terrace to near Allensville to near Blacklawn, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage, which is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Belltown, Millheim, Aaronsburg, Coburn, Limmer, Madisonburg, Reeversburg, Reeves Gap State Park, Pearl Valley State Park, and Bald Eagle State Park around 7:40 p.m. Woodward, Mackeyville, on 7:50 p.m. McAllisterville, Beaver Springs, Alpharetta, Laurelton Center, Snyder Midwest Ward State Park, Castanea, Flemington, and Youngstown around 8 p.m. Mifflinburg, Mexico, RB. Winter State Park, Sandbridge State Park, Paxtonville, Richfield, Middleburg, Forest Hill, Carroll, and Penns Creek around 8:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Beavertown, Fort Royal, Wagner, Thompsontown, McCall, Dan State Park, Atkinson Mills, East Salem, Mifflin, Richlandtown, and Siglerville. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Milesburg and Mile Run exits, specifically for mile markers 158 to 196. For your protection, move to an interior room on the to include the following counties in Pennsylvania: Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and Schuylkill. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, central Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, Fulton County in south central Pennsylvania, Juliana County. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania. Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, Fulton County in south central Pennsylvania, Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, Western Pennsylvania, Severe thunderstorms were located winds at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact winds to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chambersburg, Carlisle, Shippensburg, Greentown, Freewood, Beaufort, Plainfield, St. Thomas, Gloucester, Fayetteville, Murfreesboro, Danforth, This includes the following interstates. Although a tornado is not immediately dispatched towards the following A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties: Bedford, County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Union County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Clinton County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Lycoming County in north central Pennsylvania, Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, Sullivan County in north central Pennsylvania, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Montoursville to near Delaware Run to near Jerseytown to Danville to Stonington to near Wharton to near Urban, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bloomsburg, Danville, Buckhorn, Jerseytown, Ellisburg, Ayers Grove, Fernville, Iola, Rupert, and Hoghassville around 8:50 p.m. Lightstream, Lairdsville, Catawissa, Roarsburg, Alameda, Knoebels Grove, and Barbers around 9 p.m. Shamokin, Bakertown, Mainville, Marshallton. Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, eastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 10 p.m. At 8:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Millersburg to near New Buffalo to near Shippensburg, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Carlisle, Lower Allen, Hershey, Colonial Park, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Camp Hill, New Cumberland, Windletown, Enola, Steelton, Shippensburg, Lemoyne, Hunterstown, Ashland, Plainfield, Paxtonia, Slusser, and Rutherford. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 208 to 238, Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 7, Interstate 81 from mile markers 27 to 117, Interstate 83 from mile markers 41 to 50, Interstate 283 from mile markers 1 to 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, in south central Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 8:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Millersburg, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Elizabethville around 9 p.m. Lycom's around 9:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Angers, Grants, Wiconisco, and Halifax. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following county: Dauphin, Pennsylvania. Northwestern York County in south central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New Buffalo to Enola to Shiremanstown to Dillsburg to Mount Holly Springs, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Lebanon, Lower Allen, Hershey, Colonial Park, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Linglestown, Enola, Steelton, Anvil, Lemoyne, Hummelstown, Cornwall, Myerstown, and Paxtonia. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 233 to 266. Interstate 78 for mile markers 0 to 8. Interstate 81 for mile markers 59 to 96. Interstate 83 for mile markers 31 to 50. Interstate 283 for mile markers 0 to 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Dauphin, Lebanon, and York. Locations impacted include Pottsville, Temecula, Hillhaven, Shenandoah, Millersville, Mahanoy City, St. Clair, Ashland, Orwinsburg, McAdoo, Pine Grove, Port Carbon, Tremont, Girardville, Hometown, Tuscarora, New Philadelphia, Oneida, and Friedensburg. This includes Interstate 81 near mile marker 103 and from miles 116 to 139. Hail and damage, winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors. Lightning is leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeat. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. Extending from Drums to New Ormona, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicator point roadways. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorm 372 has been extended until 11 p.m. and expanded to include the following counties in Pennsylvania: Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and Schuylkill. Remember, has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, west central Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County in south central Pennsylvania until 12:15 a.m. At 10:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Up to 2 inches of rain has fallen in the warned area over the past 90 minutes, and an additional 1 inch of rain is expected between 10 and 11 p.m. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Harrisburg, Lower Allen, Hershey, Colonial Park, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Lingletown, Enola, Steelton, Lemoyne, Hummelstown, Paxtonia, Rutherford, Skyline View, Lutton, and Valley Green. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Monday for the following counties: Cumberland, Dauphin, Lebanon, and York. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 11:15 p.m. At 10:20 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Cornwall, moving at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, impact, damage to roofs, showers, trees, and power lines in the upper 60s. Locations in Hatchet include Wyman, Singing Spring, Walford, Lerner's Mill, Locasonia, Leesmore, Straustown, Spring Ridge, Springleton, West Reading, Northhead, Luncheon, St. Lawrence, Wyomissing Hills, West Lawn and Reed. This includes Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 27. For your room on the lowest floor of a building, report severe weather. Contact your nearest law enforcement agency or report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. May lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Do not drive your vehicle. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following county. Until 11:15 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. Damage to roofs, siding, storms and may lead to flash flood on the lowest floor. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Is occurring repeating. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties: Pennsylvania.